Hey, I'm finna go Catless today, y'all. Finna go Catless on the RT, motherfucker. I've been riding around lately. I'm like, shit, this motherfucker ain't loud enough. You hear me? Like, this motherfucker not loud enough. I'm finna, hey, y'all, I'm finna get this bitch right. Like, come on now. I'm finna get some long tube headers on the way, too. Y'all just stay patient. On God. I'm finna cat this bitch today. I'm tune this bitch on God. But I'm gonna do some more shit today, too, y'all. I'm finna do these side markers. I'm gonna do these side markers right here today. I'm gonna put the whole white on God. I'm gonna do the tag light too, but I ain't finna show y'all my tag, so shit. Oh yeah, y'all ain't even peep though. Yeah, I'm the only one with it though. So if y'all see a lot of other people come out with this shit, they got it from me. On God. I ain't seen nobody with the Grim Reaper on they shit. Come on now, stop trying to be like me. If I see somebody like this, I'm on your ass. I'm gonna ram my shit to you. But boom. Come on now, 345 Grim Reaper. 345 Grim Reaper, nigga. You know, yo, I'm slicing shit, nigga. I'm on mama, let me show y'all what it say on the back though. What it say? Nigga, why you so serious, nigga? Why so serious, boy? Pull up on me, I'm leaving ya. I don't give a fuck. This ain't no regular RT, boy. That's all you gonna see when I leave you. You gonna be mad. Then you gonna read that. Why so serious? You gonna be mad if you gonna crash your shit. But shit, with my mama, I'm finna wash my shit, hand wash. Then I'm finna go to the shop, get Catless on this bitch. I ain't gonna lie, I'm really finna set this bitch up and let y'all hear how this bitch sound. Like, stop. Well, I ain't gonna say stop, but like, straight pipe. Shit, before, you know. And I'm gonna show y'all that after bit. On God, telling y'all. Shit right, shit coming together this year. Telling you. And I'm gonna do straight A bumper. Straight A bumpers too. That shit just a little tech, so I ain't even do all this shit overnight. Y'all, you know. But they be gonna get right. Shit. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie. I just gotta keep looking at this bitch, y'all. 345. 345, nigga. Line it up, I'm on your ass. I'm finna put my SRT wheels back on there too, y'all. I'm telling y'all. They coming. I just had to, so y'all, I ain't even really told y'all what happened to the SRT wheels, but them hoes got poked up. A nigga poked them hoes up, and they kicked this dent in the side of my car over here. That's why y'all see the little dent. Shit, I ain't gonna lie, shit. Them niggas ain't gonna show their face, cause oh God, I'm BTA. Oh my mama, I swear. I'm still on one about it, but shit. Y'all, they been finna come together. Let me give y'all some little revs in this bitch with just a straight pipe without the cats. I mean, with the cats. And then I'm gonna show y'all what it look like after, you know, when I get them cats done. I wanted to gut them, but I couldn't find nobody, so I'm finna just take them motherfuckers off. Fuck it. But hold on, let me set this bitch up, and I'm gonna let y'all hear how these motherfuckers sound, cause this shit sound right. I'm telling y'all.
6 hours later.
I know it's fucking nighttime. I supposed to drive me at the damn shop getting the cats and shit. Just know the cat's off. that fin right there. It might be another little spot. Hold up. Got the V6 motherfucker with the exhaust on that bit. Oh damn, what they got going over there?
Oh, they clipped up.
Damn. Oh, fuck them niggas. Hey, I don't give a fuck. I'm fucking up the streets tonight. Fuck that shit. Look at the V6 behind me. Oh, he caught up. Say that. We're gonna get busy. Y'all, V6 behind me. They do that. Whatever you got, hop out in the motherfucking traffic. Oh, he turned around. Hold up. I just not noticed that nigga turned around and got behind me. He trying to run that shit. Oh, where you going? What the fuck? Cool, and I've been with everybody out though. Is that the Rango? Let me find out. Look like it. Hold up. Yes sir, I got him activated. Yes sir. To see. I'm causing some record down this whole game. Oh, this nigga go RT though. Hey, this the nigga with the Hellcat ejectors in this shit, I think. Oh yeah. Damn, these shits. Never mind. Look, these shits. I fuck with it. Them motherfuckers sound right. Oh. They scared now. Yeah, my shit loud now. He don't want to hit that whole last time. He was trying to, yeah. I'm cooler though. I ain't gonna lie. I need to. Video tonight, shit. I ain't gonna lie, I hope y'all enjoyed that motherfucking shit. I ain't gonna lie, it was some little chill shit, nothing too crazy. I was just cool in the day. I ain't gonna lie, y'all here as I need some breaks, so yeah. Next time, you know, next video, I will have some breaks. You know, let me just let y'all hear that bit one more time.